Good evening. This is our turkey, and we're gonna cook it for Thanksgiving dinner. Do I talk?
You can talk, you can not talk. Video is going on.
Okay. So this is the star of the Thanksgiving dinner, and we're gonna cut open the sealed package. Y'all can go to the bathroom or open it or whatnot. Even a kindergarten can do this.
The secret success behind a great Christmas dinner is making sure that...
Recording now? Okay. We're preparing the butter here. It's consists of two butters, two sticks of butters, rosemary, salt, pepper, and fresh parsley. And we cut some lemon peel. So,
And orange.
And orange peel. Yeah. My wife prepared this, by the way, so she did a fantastic job, and
Me.
so I'm just doing the dirty work, the grunt work. We're just mixing it in and make sure that the parsley is really fresh. So
And rosemary was
also fresh, but the parsley was. Take a picture of the parsley. This is what we recommend. You can use dried parsley, but it's gonna be a lot better and a lot fresher, and it's gonna be so creamy, and we're gonna get our hands are gonna get so dirty. All right. And the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna separate the skin from the turkey, and the way you do it is you do it very carefully.
And do you remember?
You have to take there's always like a turkey neck inside it, and then you just put it to a side, and we're gonna use this to use gravy later on, but it's gonna cook with the turkey, but we're gonna use this as a tool to make some gravy. Okay, so now let's separate the skin.
It's only neck over there. I thought it is something else.
No, it's all clear.
Oh.
It's only one neck. The other turkey before was really loaded, but just carefully separate the skin. Make sure you have clean hands.
Sanitize it.
Sanitize it. Make sure you don't break it. Okay, so now we're gonna go on the other side of the turkey. We're gonna go and separate the skin. This is where the butter is gonna go, and the reason we're doing this is oh shit, we got a little surprise here. So I'm gonna put this to the side. All those little surprises that you get, make sure you get rid of it, because
This is I think it is heart, liver, kidneys, maybe something.
yeah. So I'm going to a little trouble on separating the skin. So this skin is so to attach to the muscle. Wow. This is a different turkey. Could be a really young turkey. And so this turkey is very rare and
It was organic.
organic, yeah. So, but anyways, we're gonna try our best to separate the skin so we can slide in the butter. Feels a little cold, don't worry about it. You're from Ukraine, so you're used to the cold.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
Okay, so now I'm gonna wash my hands. We're gonna play like a little kid. Okay, make sure you don't have no little hairs or anything sticking around. If you have animals, make sure you check for hairs or.
You sure that animals should be at kitchen?
They are. You have a cat that jumps up like here.
Uh-oh. But we don't.
So.
We have only squirrel.
So we got this and no. No. Okay, so we're just gonna butter it up, and the reason we're doing this so the turkey won't dry up. You want a turkey that's nice and what do we call it? Moist. Yeah. Nobody wants a dry turkey, especially in the breast area, where you have the healthiest protein meats in there. Continue doing this. This is why it's so important to wash your hands, because you want everything so clean in there, and then you just spread everything as far as you can. Especially in the breast area where it's subject to get so dry. And this is what's gonna give you the really good taste. And then you wanna go over the legs. Right now it smells so good right now, so
Oh, it is.
imagine when
It does.
imagine when it's cooked, how it's gonna smell. So try to utilize everything right here, not let it go to waste, because the more you put, the more moist. Don't worry about the calories, you know, we're gonna eat pumpkin pie, we're gonna eat cherry pie, and you know, we already committed the sin. So we're gonna say, if you're gonna sheet all the way, not just a little bit, and then make sure all the butter passes all the way through the breast. Okay, and there you go. We just lubricated the turkey and prepared it for not to dry. This is not the end. Later on, we're gonna have pieces of bacon after it's cooked, and that's gonna give it more moisture and more that sense of taste of a turkey. And we will find out in in a few more minutes. Okay. Ta-da! So now that we put in the butter and everything, everything you got left over, just put it over the skin. Don't let it go to waste. And we're just gonna add some salt and pepper inside. Spread it around.
That's good, good, good.
Good. Okay. And then we're gonna a little bit of pepper, not that much. Okay, there you go. Preserve the skin. Okay, then we're gonna add onions. We're gonna put it inside, stuff it in there. Keep in mind that later on the onions are gonna be used for the gravy. What's this for?
Huh?
Okay. Couple lemon, give it a little more bitter taste, and then a couple of bay leaves. There you go. And then let's set overnight, and let's prepare it. This is what we're gonna use to cook. We're gonna oh, not to forget about the olive oil. The reason we put the olive oil at the end is because you don't want the butter to let burn. But we're gonna put it on after we transfer the turkey. Let's go ahead and transfer the turkey.
And sambal already have cranberry sauce.
Yes. First of all, let's go ahead and lubricate this. Yes. We're gonna transfer the turkey. And we're gonna this for flavor.
You need to put it inside.
Inside? Okay. Put it inside. But it's gonna make a great gravy as well. But we can leave this outside. Let it cook. Okay, so now let me wash my hands again. Spread of olive oil. Did you put away the olive oil there? Okay. Remember we said that just not to burn the butter. Okay, and then just do a nice little spread. Get a nice little crisp color. Alright, and we're ready to go. And it'll sit overnight, and all we gotta do is wait till tomorrow morning and put it in the oven.